So today we are showcasing the factory environment. So you can see from here have 4 boxes. At the bottom 2 boxes, right, you are simulating 2 different plants. For example, plant A and plant B. So plant A, you can see you are using the wireless devices. So for example, you can use for your robot, maybe for example the wireless robot like AMR, automated robot. And the right side, we are doing some data collection for different machines. Inside the factory have a lot of different machines. So different machines, they are using different protocol. So if different language, then you need a translator. Translator is our protocol converter. After that, we will have our firewall in our different plant. So this is to protect a single plant to prevent any virus to cut out another plant. So after the control and field level, we will move on to the network infra. Network infra, you can see normally we were doing network infra for redundancy. Now we are using the Moxa Turbo-Ring. So what is special for Moxa Turbo-Ring is the recovering time is less than 20 milliseconds. And after the network infra, then we will go to the management level and supervisor level. Management level, we are doing the monitoring system for your machine. So we will know what is happening on your factory or even your machine. So if anything happens, for example, the door has opened or maybe some alert overheat, so we will show actually the alert. And next thing is the supervisory level. Supervisory level is monitor your network status. So we are using MxViewOne. MxViewOne is our network management software. So anything happens in your network, it will show an alert here. So basically this tool is a monitoring software. So for SEMICON industry, we are using a lot of SecGem and also the Ethernet IP. So this is our today main selling item. This is we call it EtherCAT junction. So this thing will allow you to connect multiple EtherCAT devices to your server. So you can see this topology. So they are connecting multiple EtherCAT devices, then go to the server.